bananas in my tummy, bananas in my tummy, bananas in my tummy, bananas in my tummy, apples in my tummy, apples in my tummy. Good. Here we go. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Good. Hey, I'm Miss Deb. Welcome to Strummin' Mamas and Daddies too, where I teach you how to sing and strum with your little one. If you've missed our first 4 classes, click up there to watch them, and you're going to learn the C chord, the C7 chord. Actually, we did C7 first, then C, then we did F, and then we went to G7. And today's song, Yummy in My Tummy. I even wrote a musical storybook to go along with it. Well, the storybook's already here, and so is the song, but I'm going to teach it to you today because it's just the perfect song. You can sing it all day long, whenever you eat, and no matter what you eat. Seriously. You'll see what I mean in a few secs. Now, before we begin, let's review the 2 chords that you are going to need for this song. You are going to need the C chord, so we're going to take finger 4, and we're going to put it on that bottom string, string number 1, and we're going to strum down, down, down. One more time. You got it. All right. Next, we're going to move to our G7 chord. And do you remember how to do that? I'm going to show you a sneaky way to slip right over to G7. We're going to slip that 4th finger. Then we're going to add our 3rd finger up to the 3rd string. And then your 2nd finger is going to take that 2nd string. And we're going to strum down. Did you see how easy that was to switch from C? Well, it wasn't really easy, but it will be now. Stay on G7, and we're just going to slide this little ring finger here to the next fret, fret number 3, and that takes you to C. Now we're going to practice going back. Remember, slide that first, 3rd finger goes over top to the 3rd string, and 2nd finger goes to the 2nd finger. There you go, and back to C. Slide over in the middle and back to C. Now, if you're finding this a little tricky to find those notes, remember you can always put the little stickers in the spot to help you remember where that G7 chord is. To remember that triangular shape. If you get stuck, you just keep practicing. That's all you can do, practice. It takes work. Everything in life that you want to do takes work. Practice. Try your best. Do it over and over and over again. Do it over and over and over again, and back and forth, and 1 and 2 and back and forth, and 1 and 2, a 1, 2 and back again. Let's go back and forth with 2 strums. Yeah, I like to just kind of make up a song as I go along. I'll make a song as I go along and back and forth. How are you doing over there? Did you get it? Yeah. Okay. All right, so C and G7. The only chords you're going to need for yummy in my tummy. 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 Good. Well, let's see. What do you want to eat today? Well, it's breakfast time, so maybe we should have some cereal. Do you like cereal? And the one says, yeah, I love cereal. Here we go. Cereal in my tummy. 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 Good. Oh, that was delicious. Are you full yet? Nope. I am not full. And it's time for a snack. What should we eat for a snack? Let's see. How about a banana? Bananas in my tummy, 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 bananas in my tummy. Good. So you see, you can put any words that you want in those places. Spaghetti in my tummy, spaghetti in my tummy. It doesn't even have to rhyme. Alphagetti in my tummy, wiggly noodles in my tummy. I can be so silly. Okay, now there is a chorus in this song, and again, it just uses the same chords, and it goes like this. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. 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 And then we go, milk in my tummy, 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 milk in my tummy. Good. So you can add some signs in there. Add anything that you want that you think your child's going to learn from, right? Because that's the whole point of doing music together, is to sing and strum and have fun, right? Juice in my tummy, 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 juice in my tummy. Good. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. 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 Spaghetti in my tummy, 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 spaghetti in my tummy. Good. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. 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 Oh, I'm so full. Ooh. Yummy in my tummy. I knew you were going to love this song. Okay, so practice it, have fun, and let me know how you're doing in the comments, my friends. Have you subscribed yet? Come on, click that like button while you're at it. I'm so happy you're here. I've got so many more good songs to teach you how to sing with your little ones. So let me know how it's going in the comments. Type it and I'll respond. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next week at Strummin' Mamas and Daddies too. Bye.